Okay, so you know, go to the village and make me find me. I will check out the look at the picture. No, no, no. I'll be the dog. Need don't leave. And ya need don't leave. Nah, need don't leave. That's when I shall not do that. The thing you play with that. Okay, I'll be that way.
So like I will give you the cards. Close your eye, please. Close your eyes, yeah. Close your eyes, like don't look at your friend's phone. After we finish that, we'll start from Pongye and then we'll end in band, okay? So like this time I want to find a witch. Let's find a witch. Okay? So like let's start from Pongye and then I will end in band. So like say louder please. Let's start 3, 2, 1, go.
I am Sigma.
Okay? Okay.
I am black.
Okay.
I am white.
Oh, okay.
I am sweat.
I am pumpkin. I'm everyone.
But okay,
I'm an animal.
Okay.
I'm 5 legs.
5 legs. Okay, now like it's time for the second round. Let's start from Pongye again.
I am a small giga chair.
Huh? Can I? Okay. So like Leo, your turn. It's time for like Weepong. You can go.
I get black.
The spider can sleep.
Okay, so like it's time for Subye.
Candy.
What did you say? We don't hear. Okay. Okay, so Ben. Now like, it's time to vote for the witch. So who will you vote? Like let's try to point out. So like wait, let's try to look at the like hands. ဘယ်သူရဲ့ပုံများလဲ Ben ရဲ့ Ben ကိုရှိရယ် Skylar ကိုရှိရယ် so Ben ကိုထိုးထားတာ1 sorry like you can count 7 Ben က7 Skylar က2လားဒါဆိုရင်မဲဖို့များတာ Ben ဆိုတော့ Ben are you a witch? Oh really?